Using a chip credit card is a secure and convenient way to make transactions. To start, make sure you have a chip credit card, which is identified by a small metallic square on the front of the card. This chip contains your card information and is used to authenticate transactions. First, locate a chip-enabled terminal at the merchant's checkout counter. These terminals have a slot where you insert your card. Insert your card into the slot with the chip facing down and the magnetic stripe facing up. You will know the card is inserted correctly when you hear a slight click or see a message on the terminal screen. Once your card is inserted, follow the prompts on the terminal screen. You may be asked to select your language, choose between debit or credit, or enter your personal identification number. Enter the required information using the keypad on the terminal. Next, the terminal will authenticate your transaction by verifying your card information and PIN. This process usually takes a few seconds. You will see a message on the terminal screen indicating that the transaction is being processed. After the transaction is authenticated, the terminal will prompt you to remove your card. Remove your card from the slot and take your receipt. It is essential to keep your receipt for your records and to verify that the transaction amount is correct. Best practices for using a chip credit card include keeping your card and PIN secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. Additionally, make sure to only use your chip credit card at reputable merchants and to never share your PIN with anyone. In summary, using a chip credit card is a straightforward process that involves inserting your card into a chip-enabled terminal, following the prompts on the screen, and verifying your transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure secure and convenient transactions with your chip credit card.